Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. So recently I was contacted by Veronica from 𝗔𝗠𝗍𝗶𝗰𝗴𝗧 and she has been using the DecoArt Enchanted Shimmer, Enchanted and the Enchanted Shimmer paints. And she wanted to know if I would want to do a collab with her because she knows how much I love these paints. So of course I agreed, and so we agreed on some colors. We've got the Enchanted Magenta, Blue, and Green, and then we're doing the Enchanted Shimmer Gold. So here's, I'll just hold them all up for you there. And then we're going to use a base coat. Well, I'm going to do a swipe, so I wanted to use my base coat as a blue. So I think she's going to be using blue in hers as well. And then since I'm swiping, I've got my swipe color, which is going to be black. And that is, I like to use Golden's Carbon Black. It works super good for me. I've been using that one for a couple years now. And also you can use Amsterdam. I mean, you can use many colors for swipe colors or your bloom cell activator. But for this one in particular, my black, my go-to is Carbon Black from Golden. And as you can see, I've got my swipe tool here. And for those of you that don't know, if you're new to my channel, I also design and make 3D printed acrylic pouring tools. This is just one of them. It actually comes in a whole set of 5 different sizes. These are the round ones. They also come in the rectangle, the original, and you get 5 in those as well. I also make a larger rounded one, which is a 9x6, and a larger rectangle one, which is 9x6. Well, the rounder one's a little bit bigger, but the square one, rectangle, is 9x6. So if you're having trouble with swiping, or you just want a swipe tool that is reusable and you don't have all of that garbage, leftover baby wipes or whatever, this is really a great tool for swiping. It's flexible and really it works great. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and get my gloves on and get started. Now I am going with a smaller canvas because I had my hand surgery and you can see that nasty scar, but I don't have full use of this hand quite yet. So I'm doing something smaller, and I also have it on my spinner here so I can move it around a little bit better if I need to. So let me get my, well, let me tell you real quick about the blue. This blue is gorgeous. It is a metallic-y, kind of a metallic-y navy blue, and it is just a bunch of leftover blues. So if you're wondering, I don't know, and I apologize. I do know that there's probably 𝗍𝗶𝗍𝗶𝗏𝗍 blue black, iridescent blue black in there. I think there might be a little bit of DecoArt Sapphire, and also one of my favorite blues is Mineral Blue from Soho. But I know there's other blues, and I apologize because I don't know what they all are. So let me go ahead and get this covered, and then we'll get back to the swiping. Okay guys, so I've got my blue down, my metallic-y gorgeous blue down, and I did have to go over it with my torch because I had to give it a little stir, so hopefully I got most of the bubbles out. I don't really like to use my paint right after I, stir it up, but I made an exception this time. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna start with the green first, and I think I'm just gonna kind of go in a squiggly line, and kind of see what happens, I suppose. Because I don't know if I'm gonna swipe both directions. I may only swipe down. Haven't decided. Alright, so as you can see, for some of you that don't know about the Enchanted paints, they're an interference paint, so they really kind of look white. Now you can see a little bit more color with the regular Enchanted, but the Shimmer look completely white. So that one, the color that I used last is gold, but it looks white. It will when it dries, you'll be surprised. It'll look completely different. These are some of my favorite paints. They're just magical. That's what I always say when I use them, because they're just beautiful. So I'm going to take my swipe tool and I'm just going to put my swipe color, cell activator if you will, on the end. You can see that there. And then I'm going to start swiping. Let's see, I think I will start from this side and work my way down. And I may have to make some adjustments, so let's just start. I'm just going to go with it. Whew. And then you just wipe this off and you're good to go. Now I know that it's still got color, but it stains a little, so that's what happens. No fuss. You just wipe off and then you apply another bunch of cell activator. Love the way the cell activator interacts with the Enchanted and the Enchanted Shimmer paints. You get some really kind of cool looking cells. I think they're really cool. Not really sure why they react the way that they do. I think it's awesome. That's just me though. So I'm gonna go ahead and just give this a little bit of a tilt. I want to move this about a little. So I think I might actually swipe up. I haven't really decided. I think I really like how that looks. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Develops there a little bit. Alright guys, so I am going to probably take you in for a close-up. You'll be able to see some more of the detail while it's wet, but don't forget to stick around until the end, because when this thing dries, it will look different. Alright, so I will see you then. All right, everybody, here we go with the dried photos, and I absolutely love how this painting dried. The DecoArt Enchanted Shimmer paints never disappoint. They are one of my favorite paints to use. I would love to hear what you guys think, so don't forget to leave me a comment, and also don't forget to go check out 𝗔𝗰𝗿𝗆𝗍𝗏. She did a gorgeous pearl painting using the Enchanted paints, so go check that out. Also, don't forget to go to acrylicpouringtools.com for all of your acrylic pouring tool needs. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I've got a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy, so I'll catch you in the next one.